The current directory path can be shown using pwd command, which stands for print working directory. On the screen you can see that our current location is /home/itguy, which means that there is the home directory in the root of the file system, and within it there is an itguy directory. To change our location in the Linux file system, we can use the cd command. And surprise, surprise, cd stands for change directory. We can use it like this, cd/home, and this will bring us to the root home directory. pwd output proves that. We can get back to itguy directory by typing cd itguy, and we're there. And there's an option to move to the parent directory, I mean parent to our current location. So if we type cd ... then we will end up in /home directory, because /home is the parent to /home/itguy. So in any Linux path, the slash is the symbol that divides folders' names. We can type cd ... again, and this will mean that we will go to the very root of the file system, which is denoted by the slash symbol itself. If we try moving to the parent directory from the root folder, which is slash, this will not bring us anywhere else, because there is no parent for the slash, and this action is not causing any error as well. There is a tilde sign in the Linux file system. It means the home directory for the current user. So if we type cd tilde, meaning that I want to go to my home directory, I will end up in /home/itguy, because I'm working now from a user named itguy, and that folder is his home directory. Also, we can change our location like this, //war, for example, which is going to move us 2 times to the parent directory and then to the var folder. And let's see where we are, /var. cd- command can move us back to the previous location, so we're now in our home folder. If we type cd- again, then we will go to the /var folder back. Let's move to our user's home directory by typing its full path, /home/itguy. In general, there are 2 ways to write the target path for the cd command. Starting from slash, this is called an absolute path, and starting from whatever else, it is a relative path. The difference between these 2 types of path is that using an absolute path, we don't care about our current location at all, while typing a relative path, it's being formed based on the current location. Now let's discuss our folder's content. There is ls command, which shows us files and subfolders within the current or specified location. So typing just ls will output to us the current folder content. We're now in our user's home directory, and those outputted blue titles are the names of subfolders. Look what's interesting, if we add -a key to the ls command, then we can see many more lines in the output. The reason is that hidden files and folders have been added to the output by that -a key. Also, we can notice that those added files and folders start from dot. The idea is that in Linux, to make a file hidden, you just start its name from dot. So neat, huh? The ls command also has -l key, which changes the output to the look like this. See, now we have a table view of the folder content, and file names here are only in the last column. In addition, we can use these keys in the ls command together, like ls-la or ls-al or ls-a-l or ls-l-a. All these commands will output for us the same result, which is both the table view and includes hidden files and folders. So far, we outputted the content of the current directory only, but we can specify the folder path that we want to see, like ls/var, to see what is there within the /var folder. The option to use specific keys to change our output is still there as well. So we can add -L key to have table view or -A key for hidden files. In general, the ls command can have a folder specified for output and some keys to change the output look. By the way, our Linux Ubuntu has one alias for ls-la command. It is ll command. We can see that output of these two commands is pretty much the same. So ll command is an alias for ls used with -A-l keys.